All right. Good morning, everyone. Let me get my gal. You ready?
Yep.
She said she was ready, but here she is. We are here in Orlando at the TTO.
Yep.
And we're getting ready to head out this morning. Come on over here. We're heading out this morning. We're heading up to, I think it's called King's Landing.
That's right. We
Yeah.
made reservations a couple days ago to go kayaking, and so here we go.
Yeah, and I don't believe we've ever been kayaking before. Have we?
Yes, we have.
I don't remember.
We went kayaking when we were in Texas one time.
That was a little lake.
It was a
just
little lake,
doesn't
but we
count.
did. But
Yeah,
we did.
Yeah, but it doesn't count. It's not really like, I didn't think it counted. It wasn't much. You just go out in a little
Okay.
lake and just goof around.
Okay. Puss face.
We got about an hour drive, so we're gonna head to King's Landing, and we're gonna do some kayaking. We're gonna take you guys along with us. We're gonna check it out, and we're gonna have some fun. Do
Let's
something
go do
different.
it.
Let's go. I do. Oh, ba-doo-ba-doo-doo.
Oh, you have a towel?
Yeah, I have the towels. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be a glass. I say a glass.
Clear.
A clear kayak.
Clear
So
bottom.
a clear bottom.
Well, actually, I'm sorry. You're right. The whole thing is clear.
Yeah. So hopefully, and I think we may be able, or I might be able to get to swim. We're gonna find out.
Swim or at least get in the water. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we're at the King's Landing meeting point. So this looks like a pretty cool area. This is a very popular area to kayak for tours, kayak tours. We need to find out where the clear kayak tour is.
It said past the main building, so.
Oh, he said past the main building? Okay.
Okay, let's go. Stuff will stay dry in here. She's guaranteed.
If you want to leave shoes or anything else here, please do. This will be locked when we're gone, and we're going to end our journey back here.
When you take the glass boat tour, you got to be prepared to take your shoes off. They don't want you to put shoes inside the boats. The glass boats are scratching, so.
Right.
Y'all
And these
ready
are
for
really-
We are ready.
Sweet.
We're gonna head down here. Katrina's doing most of the paddling right now, if I don't get in her way. They said when you first start this area, the water's dark, but once you get out to the farther down, the water's very clear.
Why-
They mentioned,
Why is that?
I don't know. She didn't.
said this is man-made.
Oh, this is man-made.
Yeah.
There you go. This area is dark. Thank you, Katrina. I didn't hear her say that. This area is dark water because this is man-made. Hopefully we'll get to see otters, wildlife, but
What?
it's beautiful.
Yeah,
I love it.
great day. Now, hey there. Oh, it's so nice.
So this is our first time, in my opinion, Katrina will disagree with me, kayaking. So make sure you capture everything.
Yeah, we're in the springs now. So now we're in the springs. Look at this.
The water gets nice and clear.
Look at this. That's awesome. Right. Look, Chris is already crashing into something. Jeez.
Well, it's not the first time.
Look, already crashing into something. I think I need to take over. Look, we're
may have
stuck.
to.
Literally, we're stuck.
We're not stuck. We're not stuck.
Now we're
Just
like over in like the mangroves or what. Oh, look, seriously, look guys, look at this. He got it stuck.
This ain't like driving to RV. There she is.
He's so coordinated, guys. Okay.
This is a workout. Make no
Whoa,
bones
whoa,
about it.
whoa, whoa. Oh, but I don't want to hit somebody in the back of the head. Please, I was doing great. Chris is not good at all at this. I did great.
We kept hitting trees and boats and people.
That's because Chris was not going with how I was going. We saw earlier who has the coordination, and it was not.
So we decided to pull over. One of the things you could do, you can stop and get out and get in the water.
Yeah, that's awesome. If I can get my leg
See,
out of that.
she gets out. See, she gets out of that kayak like she kayaks.
Gotcha. Okay, now I'm out.
Beautiful spot. We call this the Emerald Cut. So this is the most notorious spot we like at least all of our guests to get to here. There's nobody here, so we're taking advantage right now. Behind you guys here where the water's bluer is deeper. A lot of people like to climb up on the roots here and jump into the water for good, at least 10 minutes.
Don't be scared.
I'm
Don't
not
be scared.
Something just touched
You
me.
just said, ooh. She's convinced the gator's gonna sneak up on her and get her.
No, I'm actually not. I'm good. I'm having no issues at all, except for Chris's rowing abilities.
I rode just fine.
I gotta take my shorts off. They're getting kind of wet. The shorts are getting kind of wet. I might have to take them off.
See who's rowing now, don't you?
You see where we're headed for, right? Okay. We got lucky. Oh, poor people over here. Here goes Chris.
I got it. The main thing to do is not to panic.
Oh my gosh, we almost ran into a couple.
No, we did not. Stop. You're telling a lie.
So this is way different kayaking here than in the pond that we kayaked in Texas.
That's why that wasn't kayak.
I mean, well, it was kayaking, but literally this is like clear aquamarine water. It's beautiful. Look guys, look where we're heading to.
I'm fighting against the current.
Did you guys hear all the excuses I hear back there?
She's just trying to find a way to bust my chops.
I mean, fighting against the current. Yeah, it's like a ripple in the water. How you doing back there?
It's a good little workout.
You doing okay back there? I didn't need that eye.
Want me to do it first?
Yeah, a demonstration. kayaks are coming, so.
You what? You ready?
Yes.
She's a cannonball.
Cannonball. Cannonball.
I don't know if I would consider that a cannonball, babes, but it was awesome. It's good. Yes.
Actually, the hardest part is just getting up that first part.
Yeah.
You got something to say? You
No.
want to talk about it?
Yeah, it's slippery. It is. It's deceiving because when you get up there, it's narrow. It's very slippery. But once you get past that spot,
It's good.
yeah, exactly. Well, that was fun. I'm letting Katrina do the work.
Talk about that
I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna sit back and let my gal just row me along this lovely.
Very fast.
Yeah. Whoa! She almost hit me. You're under pressure. Look, me.
Well, I'm so sorry.
So you got license and registration?
Oh wow. Sorry about that, man. She ran them into. Now they're gonna be pissing and cussing at us when we leave.
I'm
See
not-
that?
The back,
I'm so sorry. It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
the back person's supposed to be going, not the front person.
Oh, okay then.
Really? So we're going up to the end here, past these cabins, and then we're going to turn around, head back down. Hopefully we're going with the current, so it'll be easier paddling back down the other way, and we can show you guys
Well, we're going with the stream, yes. We've been.
the current.
The
right,
first half is against the stream.
current. Let me show you this last cabin up here. Imagine coming out in the morning. Oh my goodness, look at this. So Dr. Kelly gave all this land back to Florida. He heard that his family wanted to sell it, I guess if he had passed. So instead he donated it to the state of Florida. What a gift. So I'm gonna just guess, we'll have to ask our guide. It seems to me like the earlier that you come, you can probably see more wildlife. They said they saw otters this morning. We didn't see any, but we took the 11 o'clock tour. They have one at 9 and 10. So those two tours did see otter this morning. Not every day they see them, but it sounds like to me earlier in the day, you may see some of that wildlife.
I will say, it's a little easier going with the current, the stream, than
Current,
it is.
you're right, you said
Yes.
current. You're
That
right.
was quite a workout, but it was still a lot of fun. Look like a garden snake. Saw snake.
We'll have to ask them.
Why do there have to be snakes?
What kind of snake that is.
But one of the Lucky Bastard property that we saw out there, he's the owner of the.
Okay.
Yeah.
And our tour was Ashley. She did a great job. We had a great time. We had a blast. It was really great. Thanks for taking us along.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you. We had a blast.
Drive safe.
What a great time. Where'd you go, babe? There she is. What a great time we had.
We did. That was really, really cool.
It was a lot of fun. We would definitely recommend it. It was worth it. I don't know the best time of day or the best time of year to go, but I guess it really doesn't matter, does it?
I don't know if it matters, but like I said earlier, I'd probably try to get on that maybe 10 o'clock one in the morning where it's still sunny, but they said they had otters out there, so they're probably a little earlier in the day.
Right.
We didn't get to see, but that would have been cool too.
And that's where we're going to end this video. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell. You'll be notified every time we release a video.
And if you like Chris's rowing, give him a thumbs up.
I did a fine job.
If you did not like his rowing, give him a thumbs down.
Don't you dare. Don't. No. I expect to see nothing but thumbs ups. All right. Let's head out.